the Khone Phapheng waterfall. Can't pronounce that at all. So they also said the name is the Sun Pumic. But this is the pearl of the Mekong. This is where more water flows by volume than anywhere in all of Asia. And Asia is a big continent. This is very similar to our Niagara Falls that we share with Canada, by the way. And it feeds down into that one, which is a larger one. And then on the other side, you can see some more coming down there. They all feed into here. It's here in southern Laos, which is right on the border of Cambodia. Also kind of western near the border of Thailand. As you can see, it reminds me of Niagara Falls.